Oh, don't leave me think out. So hi again. It's 8:56 in the evening, and I'm going to update myself. Update myself. I need to update myself that it is already 42 days to go. 42 days to go. 42 days to go. 42 days to go. Okay. That's all. So ngayon, kanina nagsagot ako ng question. Isa lang. Pero 'di ba sabi ko kagabi, natambakan ako. So, walang usad na naman, walang usad. Sige, umusad tayo. Yan. All the best. All the best. Yun na nga, nag-start na ang person para magsagot ulit for this moment. Kaso nga lang, it's not yet that fulfilling. This day is not yet fulfilling for me. I am still lazy up to this day. It's 42 days to go. Ah my gosh. Alam mo yun, parang nervous lang ba ang meron ako? Nervous lang. Ay, siguro wala pang nervous kasi hindi pa Yun. Today is not yet fulfilling for me. Kaya, isa lang ang nasagutan ko ngayon. I mean, dyan, sa part na yan is pangalawa yan. Kasi kaninang umaga, nagsagot ako ng isa lang. Tapos pangalawa na yan. Tapos, pagkatapos, yun. Ewan ko ba, parang kapag nagsasagot ako, parang ang tagal ng oras. Pero kapag nag-cellphone ako, parang ang chill lang ng oras. Pero dyan, parang nakakainip. 'Di ba? Ano bang kailangan natin? I don't know. I still don't know. Alam ko sa sarili ko na marami akong dapat I still need to learn many things. Kaso nga lang, my gosh. Diba? So, ayan. Dahil pagkatapos kong nag-TikTok muna ako yan. Diba? Parang nabuang ba? O, diba? Ako po yan. Char. Ayan muna, nag-TikTok muna ako after isang sagutan. Pagkatapos ng isang 100 items. Nag-TikTok muna ang person na hindi ko malaman kung ano bang pinaglalaban nito. Tapos yun, ano ba, medyo natagalan ako nagtitiktok tapos i-post ko yan mamaya sa my day ko. As of the moment, ang oras na nagre-record ako is 12:56. 12:56 in the evening. Ay, in the morning na. Kaya yan. So, pagkatapos na mag-TikTok, alang tagal ko palang nag-TikTok. Tapos yun, nagsagot ako ulit ng 50 items na naman. Ewan ko ba, parang bakit ba kapag nagsasagot parang ang hirap-hirap ng oras. Diba? Pero, thankfully na lang. Thankfully? Wala. Kasi anong oras na dyan? What's the time there? It's already kind of 12. I know. Yeah. It's 12 already when I am answering the second 50 items. It's supposed to be 100 items, but I finished only 50 items. My gosh, that's how lazy I am. Diba? 50 items lang muna. Tapos I decided to stop stop answering. Yan kaninang umaga. Oh my gosh, I don't believe myself pa kasi kaninang umaga. 12 PM na ako nagising. Tapos pagkatapos nagluto ako, tapos kumain, tapos nagsagot ng isang question na 1 to 100. Nagsagot ng isang question na 1 to 100. Ayan. I just, kunwari, figuring out the questions. Pero meron talaga yung questions na parang nagkukuhan kasi ako, nag-iimahinasyon parang nawawala sa sarili. Nag-iimahinasyon ng mga bagay-bagay habang nagsasagot. Tapos sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, my gosh, present your life. Oh my gosh, did that say my name? So yun, my gosh, present yourself in the reality. The reality is you're answering questions. Huwag kang mag-imahinasyon ng mga bagay-bagay na mga pangarap mo pa sa buhay na hindi mo pa naipapasa ang euphoria day. So, ayun, paragi kong nire-remind ang self ko na, don't go forward yet to the future while you are answering. Present yourself to the future first. You must understand the questions, not unnecessary thinking about the futures which is still in the future, wherein the future is unknown. Yun. So I tried to call like I never knew you. I'm wide awake, but my world is half asleep. I pray to this heart to be unbroken, but without you all I'm going to be incomplete. Diba? Napakanta ng wala sa oras. So, malapit ko na atang matapos dyan. Kaso nga lang, bakit ba ang hirap kasing magsagot? Sabi nila, practice makes everything perfect. I do believe in that also, but right now, I don't know. Parang, my gosh. So, yan. I decided to stretch. Tingnan mo yan, parang worm lang yan. Actually, hindi ako dahil series, nag-zumba muna ako. Parang, oh my gosh, I need to stretch. Because one thing more is, I am fat. Basically fat. It's not for, that exercise is not for me because I'm fat. It's because I want to stretch my, yung mga kalamnan ba. Yun. So, I decided to zumba yung yan. Hindi nyo rin maintindihan kung anong nangyayari sa babae niyan. Ayan. That's all. Bye-bye!